friends, get those pencils ready. We're gonna be drawing Aaron Rodgers. All right, so to start with, we are gonna draw his eyes on here. So they're going to be V's like that, upside down V's. And then we're gonna draw a line under. We're gonna draw a half circle. And we're gonna fill that in with another circle, leaving a little bit of light. Then we're gonna come across, draw another V, this time a little softer. Come across, another half circle, like so. Color that in, leaving a little bit of light. All right, then we're gonna draw the eyebrows. So we're gonna draw a line down, diagonal with kind of an S shape, curvy. Then we're gonna draw some little zigzags like that. Draw a straight line. S shape. Like that. All right, then we've got a little line here, here, little line here, here, and then we've got the nose. So the nose, we're just gonna draw a little C, come down, back up, another little C, and then a line coming up. Then for the mouth, we're gonna start in the middle here. We're gonna draw a line up and across, up and across. Then we're gonna draw a line down, like so. We're gonna have another line under it, like that. Then we're gonna have some teeth here, and we're gonna thicken this line here, like that. Draw some little mouth lines, some little dimples. Okay, now let's get the hair, or the hat, and the sides of the face. All right, so for the sides of the face, we're gonna come in, out, down, and we're gonna come around, in, out, like that. Then we're gonna draw, let's put these closer together. Here's the chin. Remember, this is a caricature. It's not supposed to look realistic. It's supposed to look cartoony. Okay, then here's the ear. Here's another ear. There we go. All right, then we're gonna put a stocking cap on him. So we're just gonna draw a line coming across. Then we're gonna draw, this is coming down. We're gonna draw some hair here, some hair here, and we're gonna put some hair here. We're drawing long hair, Aaron Rodgers. There we go. And then we're gonna draw a stocking cap, so it's gonna just kinda come up with a wiggly line. Here's a pom-pom on the top. There we go. Draw the G. For Green Bay. Do some stripes. Do some more stripes. There, we'll get that colored. All right, now for the teeny tiny little body. So we're gonna start with a teeny tiny neck like so, very tiny. Then we're gonna draw one shoulder pad coming out and back over for the sleeve. I'm gonna draw an arm coming down like a V. Another arm coming down for the inside. And we're gonna draw some fingers. Like so. We're gonna draw a line over, down by those fingers, across. He's got his little hand warmer thing here with the G. All right, and then for the other side, first let's draw a V for his neckline. There we go. Here's the other pad, shoulder pad. Down. Some lines on it. Write a number 12. Go. Number 12 here. There. All right, and then for the football and the hand. Okay, so for the hand, you don't really see the forearm because the hand covers it up. So we're gonna draw a thumb. We're gonna draw a finger, finger, finger. And then his little finger's back here, but it's really small. There's the top of his hand. And then here's the football. Perfect. We'll put some little spike, little lace things there. Oh, there we go. All right. Then for his legs, we're gonna draw a line down, line down, line down, line down. And we're gonna draw a little shape here. Here's his little socks. Here's his shoe. Do some laces on it. Then on this side, we got a little bit more of the green socks showing. And there's the bottom. Go. There. And we'll put Mr. Rodgers on the ground. Let's see, are we missing anything? I think that looks pretty good. Yeah, all right. So there is Aaron Rodgers. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.